Hello everyone, this is Gruhini from Gruhinis World. Prawns or shrimp is the ultimate seafood with lots of protein content. Today let's try a Hariyali prawns recipe by adding some fiber which makes our prawns or shrimp curry even more healthier and tastier. So, shall we start our protein and fiber rich prawns curry? Friends, this Hariyali recipe is so nutritious as well as delicious. I'm sure you all love this recipe. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Also, if you like our recipes, like, share and subscribe Gruhinis World. Thank you. Bye.